When raining or cleaning, some water will find its way inside the inflatable from the seams. This being the case, the wet inflatable would remain, and wet and musty inside causing mold to form. Huawei patented air heater is able to dry the inside of inflatable in a very short time. It's easy to use in 3 steps. Step 1. Connect the air heater by clicking it on side of blower where the deflator clicks on. Step 2. Connect to the power and then turn it on as well as the blower. Step 3. Open the zipper to allow damp air to run out. Huawei air heater makes air 5 to 7 degrees Celsius higher in 1 minute. Don't worry, the air will not get too hot to burn your inflatable. It will stop once up to 50 degrees Celsius temperature automatic by the control unit. Huawei air heater. Save your time to have a better life.